So here is a super fast way that we can delete all messages inside a voice channel or a DM on Discord. So step number one, what you need to do is head over to Google Chrome. You then want to go to the Chrome Web Store here, and then you want to add something called Undiscord Message Deleter. Now you want to add this to your Chrome, and then you are good to go to the next step, which is heading over to our Discord. Once we have logged in, we need to head over to the DM or to the channel that we want to delete messages in. And as you can see here, all of these messages are individual messages on my Discord channel. Now to delete all of these, what I need to do is go to the top right hand corner to our extensions. You then want to click on Undiscord. And now what we need to do is go to one of these two options. Now you can delete all messages in a chat, or you can delete all messages from a specific user by entering in their username into this box. Now, once you do this, click on all messages in this chat, for example, select start deletion, and then you can then click on agree to confirm. Once we select agree, as you can see, all of these messages will now be deleted by one. And then once we get to the end, what you will notice is it will show you how many messages have been deleted, and everything will be removed from that specific channel or DM on Discord.